Now, there's another cognitive distortion, which is, interestingly enough, a lot of people who have imposter syndrome actually have quite a lot of evidence of success. They often are quite successful, and especially in some of the professions, but they feel like a fraud despite that contrary evidence. It's a little bit, it's akin to, I say akin, it's not the same, but it's akin to the anorexic whose image of themselves is 5 to 10 times bigger than they actually are. Right? And we've done a lot of research around that. So there's a real cognitive distortion, misperception with regard to what they've actually achieved despite the evidence. It's also a bit like, body dysmorphia. A lot of people who have body dysmorphia actually fit within a frame of being at the very least normal, and sometimes slightly more attractive, if you want to use that term. I don't like to use that term, but more appealing, as it were, than the average, and yet they feel they're ugly, etc. So can you see there's a real cognitive distortion there, which is important to look at.